Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm going to show you how you can have this beautiful pinkish party eye makeup look. So let's start. I have already set the base with the help of this Medora fluid makeup foundation and a compact powder. Now I'm using this kind of pinkish, shimmery pinkish eye shade and applying this on all over my crease. As you can see, I am not using any single makeup brush, just using my finger. But if you guys are comfortable with the brushes and if you are used to of this, you can use the brushes as well. As you can see, I am just applying the pink shimmery eyeshadow on all over my crease, and with the help of finger, it's really easy to merge the colors. Now number second, I'm using this medium brown eye shade, which is not shimmery brown, this is the plain brown, and I'm going to again put on my and trying to merge it with the pink shadow that I have applied before. Okay, now I am using this purple and black eyeshadow on my lid. So let's first start with the purple. Take the purple color and apply it on your lid. Now I am taking this black shade and applying on my lid again. Just cleaning my finger so that it would not mix with any color. Again applying on all over my lid and mixing it with the purple color that I have used before. I'm applying on the corners and blending it with the other colors. You can use the cotton bud to clean any mess. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, now I'm using the same purple eyeshadow that I've used before and applying under my eye. Not all over my eye, but just a little bit. And now I'm using this black eye pencil and applying inside my eyelid and a little bit of outside, and then I'm going to merge both of these. Okay, now I am using a cotton bud. Make sure it's a little bit wet And again, using the white eyeshadow, you can use the eye highlighter as well, and applying on inner corner of my eye, just spreading a little bit. Now it's time to apply the eyeliner. For that I am using my pen eyeliner, and I am applying the thick line to give it a more broader and a nice look. Okay, now I'm using again the white eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this under my eyebrow, just like that. You can use the highlighter. And now it's time to apply my eyelashes. And here we go. Your eye makeup is complete. This is so easy and you can do it on any kind of party. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you. Bye bye.